We need a spokesperson.
Yeah, we're gonna be giving a song coming from Intro Voice.
Intro Voice.
Featuring our very own Oyo on guitar.
So before you guys sing, before you perform your song, let's check the instruments one by one. Starting up with the bass guitar, please. All right, yeah, swak na swak. I found what was wrong. I was supposed to press this thing here. My bad. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, how about the keyboards there? Yun, swak na swak din. And how about the beatbox? We call it the beatbox, right? All right. Oh yeah. And how about the guitar? Yours. We need to put more volume. You belong to what chord is yours? Let me check. Sige po, sir. Just keep playing. I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh, this one. Okay. All right. All right. How about the other mic? It's working, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to do their song called, or rather to do their version of the song called, what's the song again?
Kailanman.
Kailanman. Okay, for their first song, live here today at the station, January 28th edition of Tunog Lokal, Accento Band.
Nasaan na siya ngayon? Hinahanap mo, di mo alam. Lahat ay iyong gagawin nang wala siya sa piling mo. Ang puso kong ito inaalay ko sa'yo lamang. Kaya't huwag nang magdaramdam. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y nakalaan. Kailanman di ka masasaktan. Kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay. Pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Bakit ba ganito? Kung sino pa ang inibig mo, yun pa nanloko sa'yo. Di na yata tama ito. At di na magkakaganon. Kung ako ang pipiliin mo, pangako'y di mabibigo. Ako ay iyong-iyo. Kailanman di ka masasaktan. Kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay. Pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kailanman, oh, kailanman di ka masasaktan. Kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan.
That's their version. The Accento Band with their
galing ko.
version of that song.
Nakakainis, ang galing ko.
Kailanman on vocals, of course, is Mr.
Oyo.
Ayo.
Oyo. Okay, so hey guys, tell us, where do you guys regularly perform? Yung mga gigs ninyo regular, right? Tell our audience.